morning.
Hey, good morning. Oh, so close. We're waiting to see this bumper get smashed. LZ just took the jack I was going to use to tighten my axle bolts. I don't think we need to be on track for a minute though, right?
11 qualifying.
Oh, we're good. We got plenty of time. We'll let him work on his stuff.
You look so handsome.
Oh, thanks. I went out this morning and my wipers fell off coming up the hill.
You're welcome.
Well, you did tell me to check them, and I didn't check them with all the other 8,000 things we had to check. Oh, cool. My axle bolts are loose, so we need to get on the ground and tighten them. But I ran my car long enough that it dried up most of this, so I can lay. And I got my rain jacket this morning. Actually fits nice. It's got this cool little hat saver. Keeps my hat dry.
Wow.
It's cool. Got to tighten the axle bolts, and the exhaust keeps falling off, so I need to put a clamp on the exhaust hanger.
Did you see the judge's face? Kazama, he went like this. Oh, and then started writing shit down. So I think that means good.
Okay, cool.
So, my first run
Missed you, mate.
was for the Japanese judge.
Yeah, he was super stoked. I got Grant's reaction to
On the
it.
first run,
Yeah.
the second run was for me.
It was.
I was in the horseshoe on the limiter, dude.
Yeah,
It was
I heard.
fun.
Everyone was like, what's that?
I looked at her. I said, "Your man's really be doing this. Like it was improper."
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. It was like the ghost car in a video game.
It was what?
Like the ghost car in a video game.
Oh, was it?
It was just perfect.
Oh, okay. The first one was just like
I know. It was smooth
this,
sailing.
like full 30 grams. The second one was 60 grams.
Full. Hell yeah, full. Yeah.
If you know, you
Yeah.
know.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
It sounds like we're talking about drugs or something.
Yeah.
We're not talking about drugs.
60-gram energy all the time.
Dude, this is the best. This little visor thing.
Yeah, I want one of those with breakers. They look good.
Yeah, they come with matching pants too.
Oh.
Yeah. Qualified second. LZ got me by 0.1 points.
What's that point?
No, I was just making a joke. Well, it has to be because there's only 5 points available.
It was just a popularity contest.
Yeah, maybe.
Wasn't on
Maybe.
driving.
Was it? I don't know. I didn't see Adam's run. My first run was really good. My second run was total dickhead, full throttle, limiter the whole time. I wanted one of each, so that way
The
you kind of
judges
score it
said that
however.
they didn't want that.
Yeah, they said they didn't want that, but I did, so I did
Okay.
it anyway. But anyways, I don't have the bracket on me, but I have a battle next, and then if we both win, Luke and I battle. But the top 4 drivers, all the Americans. Sorry.
Why not?
It only matters who wins anyway. Qualifying doesn't mean anything. So we'll see how it goes. Open the door. Can't see anything. It's all fog. You're like trying to plan out your next move, and it's like,
You should see the video. It's f***ing nuts.
because you were so close.
yeah, it was a good battle. The visibility going up the hill, you can't even see the tree line. Yeah, it's crazy. I've never drifted in this kind of fog in my life. But we got the win. That's good. He actually pulled me really hard right here. I couldn't even catch up.
Luke got horny.
How'd you go?
Oh, I got knocked down.
Oh, you did?
I spun at the very end.
What?
You know, I know I demolished everywhere, but I was sitting there and being ignorant. You know.
In the chase?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was
So
just
we
being
can't see
ignorant,
it.
riding, literally going over the cones at the end. I was literally front tire to front tire, like sitting there, just being like, "Ee," and then I was like, I don't have any more luck.
I didn't expect more contact out of you too.
I dropped. Oh,
You were
I
stuck.
felt so bad for you
I was
because
just sitting there. I was on the left
in
foot
first
brake.
gear,
First gear. Yeah, 100%.
I'm like, you see me like going like this. I'm like, go. It was bad. Sorry about that.
It's all good.
I had no idea. I was trying to speed it up a bit.
And literally going around the last corner with you, I'm just being ignorant. I'm
Yeah,
just like
yeah.
sitting there, and I'm literally like, moving this,
But you were doing
once I set in on you, I was fine. And then it just was like, I'm like, oh, this is fun. And then I'm like, oh, I'm
Oh yeah,
I'm unlocked right
I'm
now.
done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Ah,
Across
that's
the-
the worst.
like,
You had it in the bag. You had it in the bag. No, I know. I'm just saying.
We have these cars.
Yeah, I know.
I could have just done enough to win, but
Well, we got the win by default.
Yeah.
I'm just. He's on 265 08Rs. I'm putting 225s on.
Yeah, but you have God's chassis, the E36.
No, dude, it ain't gonna.
Oh
It ain't
God.
gonna make that up.
He's just gonna wreck these $400 tires.
We're gonna wreck our fender before that, bud.
This should be interesting.
It might fit. Ah, it's good. It's
We're good.
It's like not my
Bounce on it a couple times.
It's good. 100%. Okay, so just finished battles. I got knocked out by Daiki. He had some like fancy semi-slick tires on, so I knew I was not gonna have a chance. So I also went and borrowed a set of much smaller versions of the same tire. Wow, crazy. I don't understand how a tire can have that much grip in the rain. It was unbelievable. My car versus his car, my car was way too hooked up, way too fast, even though it had a 40 millimeter smaller tire. This chassis is set up, E36s are just fast, and I missed the setup on it, and I got trapped on the inside a few times in pretty much every turn. He had a little bit more of an obscure line through interclip 1 that other people weren't doing, which pinched me off timing-wise, and that kind of screwed me up for the rest of the run. I had a good lead run, but it just wasn't enough in the chase, so he ended up winning. Overall, I had a ton of fun. It was cool to drive on some different tires. I've driven on like 4 different types of tires here, and it's just been cool to experience different things and bring that back home and set up cars based on that. Car's good. I think we still have a head gasket issue. It's probably something to do with an exhaust port being cracked into the coolant passage of some sort. I know that's not super common with these, but it's been doing it since the beginning. We've got a 1.4 bar radiator cap, and it keeps blowing them out and pushing the coolant into the expansion tank or into the catch can, and then you're down on coolant because I need to get a proper one so it'll suck it back in. Anyways, outside of that, the car's doing really good. We've got some battle scars from the last session of the day, but yeah, I'm happy with everything. I had a blast today, and I'm gonna go drive for Matt Surrey now. My car's still in one piece. We're doing good. It's doing everything it needs to do, and yeah, later.